Welcome to Raj Online Trainings in the series of UI Full Stack Web Development. In today's video, we are going to see about HTML, that is list in HTML, how to go with the list. Now, let us understand more of this. What is the meaning of list? We are in three types of list. In three types of list, the HTML list are three types. They are ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. Definition list. We are having three types of list in HTML. They are what? Ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. So when we go with ordered list, it is like sequence, like numeric one, or it can go with capital I, Roman 1, small Roman 1, capital A, small a, like this. When you go with unordered list, it goes with like circles, squares, disk, like this. And definition list, where we go with the definition term and we define the description. Definition, description. Let us understand more of this using a diagram. List.png. Let me open the diagram. So here we are having three types of list, like ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. So when you go with ordered list, it's like sequence, where we go with the sequence like numeric 1 to 3, capital Roman 1 to 3, small Roman 1 to 3, capital ABC, small ABC. In order to go with this ordered list, we use the tag OL and we use the type attribute. In the type attribute, we go with the values like that is numeric 1, capital I, small I, capital A, small a. And if you are not using type attribute, it goes with the default one as 1 to 3. And li element is used for listing the items. Coming to unordered list, it goes with the disk, squares, circles, and the element what we use for unordered list is ul. Ul type equal to can go with the values like a disk or square or circle. And if you are not using type attribute, it goes with the default as circle. Li is for listing the items. Coming to definition list, we use the tag DL, which starts the definition of list, DT to provide the definition term, DD is to describe the definition description. Now let us understand this by using the program. Let us go with the program list.html. Open Visual Studio Code. So here we have loaded this HTML programs folder. We have opened this HTML programs folder. In that, let us create a new file. Let us go with the name list.html. Start writing the code. Take the template. How to take the template? Exclamation, press enter key. We get the complete template, and let us provide the title value as HTML list. In the body section, let us initially go with ordered list, or let me go with some heading like welcome to Raj Technologies. Then here we'll say H4 courses offered. Courses offered, we'll say OL type equal to capital I, that is Roman 1 to 3, and we'll say LA to list the items. So we'll say programming languages, LI databases, LI web technologies. Now save this file, and when we open in browser, right click and say open in browser. See the welcome tag is HTML list. The title of your browser is HTML list, and see we are getting see welcome to Raj Technologies, courses offered, and see we are getting see capital Roman 1 to 3, and see the values programming languages, databases, web technologies. Now under this programming languages, we want to go with sublist. So under this programming languages, databases, web technologies, we want to go with sublist. Then Here we'll say under this OL type equal to small I. We'll provide the list here, list item, programming languages like Java, .NET, Python, like this. Now, under databases, we'll say OL. Let us go with UL type equal to square. UL type equal to square. We'll say LI, Oracle, LI, MySQL, LI, MongoDB, like this. Now, under web technologies, we'll go with the sublist. We'll say UL. Just I'm saying UL without any type attribute. So default it goes with circles. So under web technologies, we'll say HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Open your browser, and if you refresh your page, see under programming languages we are getting say small Roman 1 to 3. Under databases we are getting say squares, and under web technologies the default one, if you are not using type attribute, it goes with circles. Now that's about your ordered list and unordered list. I've mixed up both the things at one place. Now coming to the next one, definition list. Whenever you want to start off with a definition list, we use the tag DL. We use the tag DL. DL stands for definition list, and we have to provide the definition term. I'll say HTML. Now we have to describe your definition term DT HTML. So we say DD definition description. So we'll say it HTML is used to develop static web pages. Now let us take one more term DT JavaScript DD. JavaScript is used to develop dynamic web pages. It's for dynamic. Now, once we refresh your page, see we get the definitions here. HTML and the definition. What is the use of HTML, JavaScript, and what is the use of JavaScript? Right. So in this video, what we have seen, how to go with this list, like ordered list, unordered list, and even definition list. See the diagram once. Ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. For ordered list, we go with the tag OL and to list the items LI, and for unordered list, we use the tag UL to list the items LI, and for definition list, we go for DL for defining the definition list, DT is for defining the definition term, DD is for definition description. So please practice this, very important. We use of this more in our applications, right? So that's about in this video. In the next video, we'll see how to insert images on our web page. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.